Hello all, and thanks again. Today I am going to start a new course, OOPS, Object Oriented Programming. In this, there is a multiple chapters in this course. So I am going to just details about the OOPS. One by one, it will be the about lot of chapters, and one by one I will explain about this. What is OOPS? OOPS means object oriented approach where you design the softwares using objects. Okay. In the later chapters, I will explain bit more. This is the just first question about. Okay. Now, let's see in this course what will be. In this course, you should have the basic C# knowledge needed. We will focus on the OOPS concepts. We will go with the slides, and I will also explain in the code also by each of the concepts. And here we are not going to explain more about the C# advanced concepts. We are just focusing on the OOPS concepts. What will be in the course contents? The first I will explain advantages of OOPS. Then in the future classes we will explain the class and objects, class members, constructor, access modifiers, and very important four pillars of OOPS. What are the four pillars? Encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, and abstractions. Let's little bit explain about the procedural programming. What is the procedural programming? Procedural programming means we are starting something, taking some inputs, add some condition, and going the result. This is the step by step we are doing in the procedural programming. But in the OOPS concept, object oriented programming consists of many encapsulated objects. Object oriented programming is based on the objects that are interacting each other. Okay. Object, what is object? Object is the instance of a class. Suppose car is a class. Then we can create the object of a class. Any object in the car you can treat as the class of the object. So they are interacting each other in the OOPS concept. So what is the advantage? Why we are going to use the OOPS concept? OOPS, by using it is the faster and easier to execute. It's provide a clear structure of the programs, makes code easier to maintain, modify and debug by preventing repetitions, make it possible to create full reusable application with less code and shorter development time. So that is the advantages of the OOPS. Okay. So let's go one by one. Suppose we are creating a class. Class क्या? Class is a blueprint. And object, what is object? Object is an instance of the class. Okay. And after this, I will explain the four pillars of the OOPS. I named earlier like the what is the four pillars: encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction. Okay. Yeah, that's all in this video, and in the next video I will explain bit more about the concept of the OOPS. Yeah, thank you for watching the video, and if you have any question then give me the comment. I will reply as soon as possible, and if you like my video then please like and subscribe. Thank you.